Today we are going to learn bubble sort. In bubble sort, suppose these elements are given. So maximum, what we will do in bubble sort, we will find out the maximum element, and maximum element will go to the last, and every time whenever we get it, we do the swap. So from here we can see simply this is the maximum, this is the minimum. So 25 will come here and 75 will go here. Like that we can see 40 here and 75 is here. So 75 is maximum, then 40. So we can say simply 75 will come here and 40 will go here. Like that 60, instead of 60, 75 will come here and 60 will go here. Like that 80, so 80 is maximum, no issue. So here we can say simply here 15, here 80, so 80 will go here and 15 will come here. Fine. After that we can see this is maximum, this is minimum, so 80 will come here and 5 will go here, and here we can see simply 80 will come here and 10 will go there. So after this 1, we can say in pass 1, after this, so what are the element? 25, 40, 60, 75, 15, 5, 10 and 80. So one pass is completed. So total n minus 1 comparison occur. Total we can say simply n minus 1 comparison occur, or n minus 1 swap also in case of worst case. So this is first pass, we can simply say after, and then we come to the pass 2, and then like that we can see from here this is 40, 60, 75, then from here we can swap because this is maximum, this is minimum. So 15 will come here, 75 will go here, and then here we can say simply 75 will come here, 5 will go here, and here we can say simply that 75 will come here, 10 will go here. So after this, what is left after pass 2? 25, 40, 60, and here 15 will come here, 5 will come here, 10 will come here, 75 will come. Then after pass 2, what will come? Let's see. These are okay, this is maximum, this is minimum, so 15 will come here, 16 will go here. Like that 60 will come here, 5 will go here. Like that 60 will come here, 10 will go there. So in pass 3, so we can write here also, it is better to write here. So 25, 40, 15, 5, 10 and 60 will come here. Now we can see 25, 40 and 15. So 40 will come here, 15 will come here, then 5 will come here, 40 will go there, and then 10 will come here, 40 will go here. So pass 4, what is 25, 15, 5, 10 and 40. Then we can compare 25, 15. So 15 will come here, 25 will go there. Then we can compare, and 25 will come here, 5 will go there. Then we can compare, 10 will come here, 25 will go there. So pass 5, 15, 5, 10, 25. Then we will see compare. So 5 will come here, 15 will go there, and then 15 will come here, 10 will come here. So in pass after pass 5, so 5, 10, 15, and in pass 7, 5, 10. So like that we do every time we do comparison, and maximum element will reach to the end. So this is, we can say, because we are not using any other stack, so this is in place and stable algo also. So best case when array is sorted, we can say simply best case when array is sorted. So in bubble sort we can say n minus 1 passes because total 8 elements are there, so 7 passes. So we can say n minus 1 passes, and every pass required maximum n comparison, because according to the number of element we are doing comparison. So total n comparison, so total we can say simply n into n minus 1. So order of n square, best or worst in both the cases. And number 2, every pass maximum n swap. In every pass maximum n swap, because we are doing swapping here every time, and minimum 0 swap, minimum 0 swap. So total swap in worst case n into, in worst case n into n minus 1, and so it is order of n square, and in best case it will be 0 if array is sorted. And number 3, time complexity n square comparison plus n square comparison plus n square swap. In the case of worst case, n square swap in worst case. So total order of n square, and n square comparison plus 0 swap in best case, still it is order of n square in best case. Best case order of n square. So this is all about the bubble sort.